Hello, I'm Susmita Siddhi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do a battle between these two of them. This is a Pond's Light Moisturizer and this is Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour Auto Replenisher Hydrator. So which is the best? Is Pond's dupe of Clinique Moisturizer? Is it? I'll tell you the answer for this. So first I'll be just applying them on my face. Like on this side I'll be applying Pond's moisturizer and on this side I'll be applying Clinique moisturizer, and then I'll tell you like what are the ingredients and which is the best. Like, is this a dupe of Clinique? I'll tell you. So let's get started. See the jelly texture of this moisturizer. So I'll be applying on this side and I've washed my hands. Just wash your hands before you apply anything on your face so that any bacteria or any microorganism won't like enter on your skin, or that's why. Feels so smooth and it will give you a cooling sensation. So don't forget to apply moisturizer on your neck even. Actually, I like to apply more moisturizer on my face whenever I sleep. Like mostly in the nighttime skincare routine, I apply most like large amounts of moisturizer, so that I'll have a soft supple skin when I wake up in the morning. Next, on this side I'll be applying the Clinique moisturizer. I love this color more than the Pond's. Pond's will have a light bluish color and this is having like a peachy color. The smell is like, actually it's no fragrance moisturizer, but the smell is like a laboratory tested moisturizer, which is, yes, it is laboratory tested moisturizer, and I'm getting that fragrance. So I'm taking only this much quantity. I'm not taking the quantity same as the Pond's moisturizer quantity. I'm taking the less quantity. So it's a transparent gel. You can see it's transparent, and this is also transparent gel. It doesn't have any cooling sensation. This moisturizer is having cooling sensation, and we will need that sensation in summers, right? This thing, like I wanted cooling sensation even in the Clinique moisturizer, but I don't get that sensation. So if you won't get that, you can just apply aloe vera gel after you apply this Clinique moisturizer, and that will be really great. Like every day I'll apply aloe vera gel after applying these two moisturizers. I like that, like that combination, like moisturizer after that applying aloe vera gel is great. These two moisturizers really feel the same, but except cooling sensation, they both are silicone. They feel silky on your skin and they are very soft on your skin, like the same thing. And the fragrance, this is having fragrance, this is not fragrance, this is fragrance free, which is very great. Like fragrance free means doesn't have any more chemicals. If it is fragrance free, it is having fragrance, then you will have like 40 chemicals. So this is the Pond's moisturizer. It contains hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E, and this is Clinique moisturizer, which is even containing hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. Pond's moisturizer cost is $2.99 for 147 grams. Clinique, like this moisturizer, is 50 grams and the price of this product is 2,700. Like, why is Clinique so pricey than Pond's moisturizer? Why is this cheap? So let's look into the ingredients to know why is this pricey than this one. So these contain the same ingredients, like these are containing same sugars. The main ingredients are the same for both of them. That is sodium hyaluronate, hyaluronic acid. These both contain the same ingredients. But coming to the natural, effective ingredients, Clinique moisturizer is having green tea leaf extract and also having like Saccharomyces lysate and Thermophilus. Like, these are having enzymes which will actually act as humectant, and humectant, what they does is they will hold on water onto your skin and they will not allow water evaporation from your skin, which is, yeah, even hyaluronic acid does the same. And the green leaf extract, and also it contains some plant-based extracts like aloe vera. Clinique moisturizer is containing green tea leaf extract, silymarin, which are antioxidants, anti-irritants, like antimicrobial, which is, yeah, silymarin act as a UV protectant. Like in a moisturizer you are having UV protectant. This is great. And this is fragrance free, but this is not fragrance free. It is having 30 to 50 chemicals. Like if you're having a perfume in this product contains 30 to 50 chemicals. That's why the price of this Pond's moisturizer is $2.99 for 147 grams, and this is 2,700. But this is very pricey. Like, if your skin is very ultra sensitive, then you shouldn't use this Pond's moisturizer. You can use Clinique or some moisturizers which are like organic moisturizers. But if your skin is normal and not very ultra sensitive, you can use Pond's moisturizer. This does the same what Clinique does, but the enzymes, peptides and all doesn't contain in the Pond's moisturizer. So coming to hyaluronic acid, what does hyaluronic acid do and what is the hype about that? Because nowadays hyaluronic acid is present in many moisturizers and many of them are using those products which are containing hyaluronic acid. So what does hyaluronic acid does is, it is a humectant. Like, what does humectant does? Like, humectant is that which holds the water onto your skin. It will bind water to your skin and it will not evaporate any water from your skin, and it will take the water present in your environment into the skin, which is great. It will not let your skin very dry. So Pond's moisturizer is not suitable in winters. Clinique can be used in winters as well, because this is 72-hour auto replenisher hydrator, and yes, it does hydrate your skin for 72 hours, but this doesn't hydrate your skin for 72 hours. It just hydrates like about 6 to 7 hours, which is great. Pond's moisturizer can be used for combination to oily skin, and Clinique moisturizer can be used on all skin types. Like, this Clinique moisturizer doesn't break out, like it doesn't tend to break out on any skin type, and even this doesn't tend to break out on any skin type. And for dry skin people, this moisturizer is not for you, because this moisturizer doesn't moisturize very much onto your skin. They contain humectants, but the texture of this is water-like, and this doesn't moisturize your skin a lot. You will need more oil-based moisturizers. This is oil-free moisturizer. Many of them assume that silicone will tend to break out on your skin, but silicone does not do that. It will just give your skin a very good texture, and it will sit on your skin very beautifully, letting all the ingredients go into your skin. I think a silicone with other ingredients maybe they tend to break out on your skin, but silicone won't do that. But I don't know why Pond's moisturizer is having dimethicone in 2 places. Like, it is containing dimethicone in the ingredients list 2 times. I don't know why is Pond's moisturizer ingredient list is like that. So I would recommend Clinique moisturizer for those who can spend 2000 above for a moisturizer, and who are like college going girls. You can pick up this moisturizer. This moisturizer is very good. Who want oil free moisturizer, this moisturizer is good for you guys. So coming to my opinions, like what moisturizer I will buy. Like I'll purchase 2 of these. This moisturizer I think I'll apply it daily. This moisturizer I can apply it as a primer, I can use it as a sleeping mask, I can use this like many ways, I can use this in many ways. But this product has only 50 grams, so I think I'll apply it when there is any occasional wise. Like I won't apply it very frequently, I will apply occasionally. This one I'll apply it frequently because this contains more quantity. I'll apply it very frequently because this product is 147 grams and the price is $2.99, which is great. So yeah, that's for today's video. And what you think, like which moisturizer did you use and what moisturizer are you liking currently? Please do mention it in comment section. Even I want to try those kind of moisturizer which you use. And yeah, that's for today's video. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up. And what type of content you want on my YouTube channel, please suggest me so that I'll make those videos in further. Yeah, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for getting notifications and latest updates on my videos. And bye.
What they does is, like green tea leaf extract is an antioxidant.